I just got my 2026 SHRM Certification Prep System books, and I'm super excited to unbox them and answer the question I get every year. What's included in the SHRM Certification Exam Open Prep Program with HR Jetpack? If you're preparing for the SHRM-CP or SHRM-SCP, you're not signing up for just one class with HR Jetpack. You're joining an open program built for working HR pros who need structure, guidance, and flexibility. So what's the difference? A one-off course only gives you a fixed class schedule, and that's often the end of it. Our open prep program gives you ongoing access for a year to training, tools, and support so you can study when life gets busy. Now, let's unbox. After you enroll, you receive a box like this, around 8 pounds or so. Inside are the textbooks you'll use throughout the program. First, the HR Competencies book. The exam is based on the SHRM body of applied skills and knowledge, and these 8 behavioral competencies show up throughout the system. Next is the People textbook, covering areas like HR strategy, talent acquisition, and total rewards. Then, the Organization textbook, with topics like the structure of the HR function and workforce management. And finally, the Workplace textbook, including areas like corporate social responsibility and risk management. So that's what arrives at your door. Here's what you get in the full program. Number 1, access to all the live online instructor-led prep classes on our schedule. You can join any class at any time. Instructors walk you through the modules, highlight what matters, go over practice questions, and share test strategies to help you pass. Number 2, every session is recorded. If you miss a class or want a replay, you can watch on your own schedule as many times as you want. Number 3, access to the online SHRM certification prep system. It follows the same module structure and includes quizzes, videos, flashcards, test-taking tips, and most importantly, 2,700 plus practice questions. You also get digital versions of the textbooks if you prefer reading on a screen. Number 4, practice exams. This includes practice questions that have appeared on past SHRM certification exams. That gets you really close to feeling the real test. And we added exclusive extras you won't find elsewhere. You get an extra timed practice exam inside your HR Jetpack account to measure progress. You also get our Elimination Consideration Technique course. It focuses on the biggest struggle for most test takers, situational judgment questions. You'll get more than 5 hours of guided instruction on how to choose the best answer. And you get access to our online community of HR pros preparing for the same goal. Members share practice questions, study tips, and support. HR Jetpack was rated the #1 SHRM education partner last year. I believe it's because we not only built our open program around the best resources and instructors, but also, more importantly, we redesigned the entire program around the needs of actual HR professionals, many who need more than just a one-time class. So why go it alone? Put your HR Jetpack on, join the program, and let's get you certified. Go to hrjetpack.com to learn more. Let's make 2026 the year you earn your SHRM certification.